The three biggest factors for buying any tractor is the lads have got to enjoy driving them, the price has got to be right, and the warranty package. So ease of use was a massive thing for us. The comfortability of the tractors, obviously the lads are going to spend a lot of time in them over the summer. And then the diesel usage. Over the season we've roughly worked out of just under 30% saving compared to other machines that we've had in the past.